Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And we have a nice new and exciting kit available. This is a 73 Z1 900 cylinder kit. This is a genuine cylinder with a Wiseco 1015 kit. Now let's talk about this a little bit. This is the 903 cylinder. This is the 73 only font. And also, it doesn't take the O-ring that 74, 75 take. It's perfect condition. Perfect. This is absolute perfect. Now, normally, if you want, we can dress these up. 73 came with filed off edges right here. It was silver right here on the sides. Now we can do that if you so desire before delivery, or some people like to put their bikes together as is like that, which is cool too. It's awfully expensive to get these powder coated. This is heat treated powder coating, so this is really nice stuff. And then we have, now these are all marked 1, 2, 3, 4. And the reason they have the C is because our machinist, we give him cylinders and we'll mark them C, and these are A or B, C, whatever. So this goes with it. That's why they have the C on the box. So now, always on the Z1s, the cam chain goes to the rear. So this is the cam chain tensioner right here. So have a look at this. These are 70 millimeter. Like I say, this is absolute perfect. I mean, this is ready to rock and roll. You'll never find anything better than this. And this is what we use on our restorations. This definitely gives them a little more power. And these are pretty good pistons. So this is what the piston looks like. Notice how it says 1C. So we're going from left to right, cylinder number 1, 2, 3, 4, and all of them are marked that. So anyway, that's what the piston looks like. Got the rings, like clips and pin. It's all in the box. So I just kind of want to show you where we're at, and we're going to be offering these for sale. This is the only one extra we have for sale, by the way, and these are getting hard to find. So good luck, and if you have any questions, give us a call. Okay, thank you so much.